What's up guys, the Corvette back at you with another video today. So guess what, we got some more carbon fiber pieces for the interior of this car. Let me go ahead and show you how we're going to put those on. Alright guys, so look, here's more of our carbon fiber interior trim pieces. This is for in between the seats, the little back center piece. A couple more pieces for the little tweeters where the little sound system bits are, and then there's one for the side of the driver. But let me go ahead, I'll show you how we're going to put these on, just to add a little bit of touch for the interior of the car. I'll show you where we get these from. Links will be in the description below if y'all are interested in buying some just exactly like this for your C7 Corvette. But alright guys, let's go ahead and get into the action. Alright guys, first off, let's start on the driver's side. We'll go ahead and pop this open. Let's get inside. Put the keys up here. Okay, let's start off with our, let's see. We'll be needing to clean this section right here, and I'm just going to use an alcohol pad to wipe that off. Go ahead and get this one too. Alright guys, now go ahead, remember just to peel off that red tape so it exposes the sticky side for the carbon fiber piece, and then go ahead and we'll install it onto the car. Alright guys, there's the finished product there, so that's what that kind of looks like. I think it came out pretty good. Just gives it a little bit more taste. Let's go ahead and get the next one underway. Oh gosh, my knees. Let's see. Alright guys, there's a close-up shot of this piece right here. So that I just installed right there. And then there's this one as well on that end. That one. Okay, so those are pretty much good there. And then here's the backup shot for the center one here. I think it's pretty good. You can see that there. Kind of adds a little bit of a look to it. Looks pretty good. There's another shot of this one. See it there. And this one here. Sorry about the noise. And then that one again. Alright guys, well, hope you enjoyed the quick video. You know, I just wanted to make it just showing me putting on the new carbon fiber pieces inside the car. If y'all do want some like that, remember the links are in the description below if y'all do want some. But until the next video guys, see ya.